ENO is an international fragrance house and manufacturer headquartered in Chengdu, China. With over 15 years of experience, we specialize in high-quality perfumes and aromatherapy solutions integrating R&D, manufacturing, and global supply into one complete ecosystem. Our core products include perfumes, reed diffusers, scented candles, and essential oils, serving both personal and home fragrance markets. What sets us apart is our strength in OBM. We don't just manufacture, we help our partners build distinctive market-ready brands. From concept and scent creation to final production, we deliver true end-to-end solutions tailored to different market needs and positioning. Our modern production facilities in Zhejiang and Sichuan span over 5,500 square meters, built to international standards with cleanroom environments, standardized workflows, and semi-automated production lines. With a daily output of over 50,000 bottles, we combine scalable manufacturing with refined craftsmanship, ensuring both efficiency and consistency. At the heart of our work are 3 in-house international perfumers creating fragrances that balance technical precision and artistic expression aligned with global trends and consumer preferences. Every product undergoes rigorous quality control from raw material selection to final packaging, ensuring consistency, safety, and excellence. We collaborate with international fragrance partners and maintain strict quality systems across all production stages. With reliable global delivery and export-grade packaging, ENO is trusted by partners worldwide. Welcome to ENO. Here we believe in honest partnerships, shared growth, and building the future together.